some chicken cut up into little pieces. We've got some egg, and we got some flour. Now, I only forgot one thing. Seasoning. So we're gonna put some of that in there, some seasoning salt. And then we're gonna put a little black pepper. It's a lot of flour. And some garlic salt. Yeah. And then it's gonna look like a that. And we'll just kind of mix it around a little bit. It's all still in there. Okay, see, and then it's back to the way it was. Now, I only have one glove, so I'm just gonna have to make do here. So, you want to do chicken and egg. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Ah. Alright. What came first, the chicken or the egg? So you want to get that all eggy. Get some egg all over it. And then move it over to the flour. Okay, and you see where I wore gloves? This is hard to get off. Alright, so next up, this little guy in the eggs, in the egg, flip him around so he gets the egg on both sides. And wiggle him off, he's a little wet. And put them in the flour. Mixing around, get flour all over him. And next piece of chicken. A little bigger on that one. Half of the chicken breast was like big, and half of it was like kind of skinnier. So I did like half this way and then half that way. It just came out 2 skinny pieces, 2 big pieces. I didn't see a reason to cut any more pieces up. So this is what we're working with. All the egg all over it, and into the flour. Same with this one here. Egg. All over, and then the flour. So get them all floured up here. And my grease will be getting hot behind me here while I make a mess all over the counter. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Chicken, the grease is getting hot, so we're gonna go for the little piece first, just to see where we're at. I'm gonna clean that up. 2 pieces in there because there's plenty of room. Put them all in there. Now I might re-season these again after they're cooked. This is just a quick demo of how to get them started. I use this saucepan with canola oil. Canola only. I can't really do vegetable oil or olive oil or any of the other oils. It just don't sit right. So just canola oil. And then yeah, I'll clean up this mess here. Frying underway. Frying is underway, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. Wash my glove off. Alright, I'll tell you what, this is going to take a minute, so I'm going to come back when the chicken's done, and I'm going to show you that.